All right, y'all, this is the tomato plants. We need to thin them out. They have really overgrown. They done took off. The main thing you have to remember about tomato plants is that you definitely don't want them on the ground, and you definitely want them to be able to breathe. You have them on the ground, that allows insects to come and crawl up there and do whatever it wants to do as far as eating. And you definitely want to thin them out, because if you don't, the mold will take over, and it will allow other things to breed and have more insects and do whatever they want, and bacteria. So right now we are cutting the tomatoes back because tomatoes done grown wild. Smells good.
Yes, it does.
So this is what we have so far. I guarantee you there will be more, and we'll be back. This is something you definitely don't want to do. You definitely don't want your tomatoes to get out of control like this. I'm not ashamed to let you know, or even to say it. We all learn. We learn by mistakes, but this is not a mistake. We learned this last year, and
it took off really fast.
Yeah, it takes off really fast, and all the rain and everything. So by the time we came out here, you know, you can see the tomatoes. So you have to cut back so you can be able to see your tomatoes.
We don't need all of it.
You got your string?
Hell no.
I'll get your string for you. Okay, he's going to take the string and he's going to tie it around the tomatoes to get a little control over them. But I have to use gloves. Anyway that I was handing them tomatoes barehanded, I will be itching. But I can eat tomatoes and not break out. But as far as them rubbing up against my skin, no, it would not work. Let me help you, babe, because you like you having a hard time.
Some of these are long. They're acting a fool. We wouldn't have more to do anyway. I think I'll get some more from over there and tie them up.
Yeah. All of them here. All right, y'all. We'll be back. So that's about, what, 6 feet? If it was standing up? Because these
stand up, yes.
they're pretty tall.
But this happened within a day or two. I mean, they were like this.
Yeah,
all of a sudden, they just went poof and fell over.
Yeah, they grow pretty fast.
The little Roma plant that choked out.
It takes the enjoyment out of it if you allow your tomatoes to get
This damn big.
this big and out of control. Okay, as long as you keep cutting back, you'll be okay.
Yeah. We're not okay. We left all the branches parts in there too. There's like 8 branches coming off this one. We should have stopped all that too. Just had one stalk coming up. Just got away from us, baby. That's all.
It did. It got away.
We still have another year coming up.
Okay, babe.
We're gonna get this right. We're gonna get it right.
Okay.
I'm not worried about it.
All right. I'm gonna finish doing the green beans,
All right, baby.
stringing them.
Yeah.
Okay, this is what we come up with as far as the tomatoes, and we will continue on working on them. If this is your first time here at Healthy Living, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.